Hello guys, how are you doing? Do you want to learn how to make a vegan pie? So today is the day. I'm going to show you how I make mine, okay? So I will show you the ingredients for the dough and the ingredients for the filling and how I make it, okay? So I used for the dough half cup of olive oil, 2 cups and half of water, and 2 cups of rice wheat, 2 spoons of this type of salt. I used pink salt, okay? And I used a spice here mixed with garlic, onion, and parsley. All right? I put 2 spoons. So I mixed everything. Actually, I blended. And after more or less 10 minutes, I put in the soft blending and I added 2 spoons of that of baking soda, okay? So the filling, I used zucchini and in cubes and very little pieces of coriander, and I sliced red, orange and yellow pepper, onion, and I sliced black olives. So I mixed everything and spiced it, and I first put a layer of this dough in my baking tray. After I added the total of my filling, okay, all mixed. And after I put the rest of the dough. My oven is in the preheat for about 5 minutes in the 180 degrees. And I left there to bake it for about 40 minutes. Hi guys, here is the pie ready. Very beautiful, huh? And it seems delicious. Bye bye.